guys, welcome back to my channel. So your girl is taking risks today. She is trying some serious color and I am absolutely blown away by how gorgeous this color is. So today I am wearing Janet collection. The wig is called June and the color is sugar brown, and they got this color just perfect. I mean, look, it's got these dark roots at the top and then it blends into this beautiful mix of browns, highlights, lowlights. It's just absolutely stunning. I don't know how it's translating on camera, but in person, the way they've colored this wig and, you know, blended all the beautiful browns is just absolutely stunning. But this is so different for me, guys. You know that I'm a creature of habit. I stick to color 1, 1B, might venture into a 2. But to try something this bold, it is not like me. But I saw reviews of this on YouTube and I was like, you know what? Let me try some color, you know, while I'm doing this affordable wig series. I mean, these wigs are so inexpensive anyway. But honestly, guys, synthetic wigs have come a very long way. It literally looks like you've gone to the salon and you've, you know, gotten your hair done. That's how amazing this wig is. Okay, so in terms of the texture of this hair, it's really, really nice. I would say it's like a light yaki texture. It's definitely not silky, and it's also got a nice density to it. It's quite thick, which I really like as well. It's got a nice weight, you know, when you flick it around, it feels like you've got actual proper hair on your head. In terms of the cap size, I think it's pretty average. I have got my hair braided down this time, so it fits really well. I've actually got quite a bit of room. I can tighten it some more, but it fits well. It's not like loose or anything. So I think this would be like, you know, big head friendly as well. What else? The length is, I'd probably say about 20 inches. Now this is another deep part wig, so as you can see, I've got a lot of parting space. So I just put some of my powder in the parting area, just so it's a little bit more obvious. Now, as you can also see, this wig has layers in the front here. And you know, I like that. You know, it gives it a lot of body, it gives it a lot of shape, it gives it volume as well. So I'm really happy that it's not like a dead straight wig and they did put the layers into it. In terms of shedding, I definitely have experienced quite a bit of shedding since putting the wig on. Haven't received any tangling though, not even any snags, so that's a good thing. As I keep saying, these are synthetic wigs, so you can't expect, you know, it to behave like human hair or virgin hair. But honestly, for a synthetic wig, it's pretty darn good. I cannot say much more about this wig, except I really, really like it. And I'm shocked that I like it because, like I said, I don't try color. So I was a bit like, oh, I don't know how it's gonna look. But you know what, putting it on, I am not disappointed at all. And I think I'm actually gonna grow to like color because of this wig. I mean, I don't know how they did it, but they have perfected this wig, no doubt. Now, in terms of price, it's very affordable again. This one was 23 US dollars, or about 34 Australian dollars. And I got it on maingang.com again. As you know, that's where I've been purchasing pretty much all my wigs. Shipping costs are not too expensive, especially over here to Australia, and it gets delivered in a reasonable amount of time. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you want to try some color, guys, I definitely recommend this wig. You will not be disappointed. So anyway, we're going to move on to how I put on the wig as always. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.